NextAI Review, the ultimate AI assistant for content and marketing. Introduction. What if I told you there's an AI tool that can write high-quality content, generate stunning images, create sales funnels, and even automate your marketing, all in one place? Sounds too good to be true. Well, that's exactly what NextAI promises. But does it live up to the hype? In this NextAI review, I'll break down everything: features, pricing, pros, cons, and whether it's worth your investment. Stick around till the end, because I'll also share my exclusive bonus if you grab NextAI through my link. What is NextAI? NextAI is an all-in-one AI-powered platform designed for content creators, marketers, and entrepreneurs. It claims to help you generate blog posts, sales copies, social media content, AI images, videos, and even automated sales funnels, all with just a few clicks. It's hosted on Warrior Plus, a trusted marketplace for digital products, which adds some credibility. But how does it actually perform? Let's dive into the features. Key features: AI content generator. Need blog posts, emails, or ads? NextAI can generate human-like content in seconds. Just input a keyword, choose a tone, professional, casual, persuasive, and boom, your content is ready. AI image and art creation. Forget expensive designers. NextAI includes an AI image generator where you can create logos, social media graphics, and even product mock-ups, video and voiceovers. It also has an AI video creator, perfect for YouTube, intros, ads, or explainer videos, plus text-to-speech for natural-sounding voiceovers. Sales funnel builder. This is huge. NextAI helps you create high-converting sales pages, opt-in forms, and automated email sequences without coding, chatbot, and automation. Imagine having an AI chatbot that handles customer queries 24/7. NextAI integrates with websites and social media to automate responses. Now the big question: how easy is it to use? User experience and demo. I tested NextAI myself, and here's the deal. The interface is clean and beginner-friendly. You get a dashboard with all tools neatly organized. For example, I generated a 500-word blog post in under a minute. The quality, surprisingly good. Better than most free AI tools. The image generator works well, though advanced users might still prefer specialized tools like Midjourney. The funnel builder is a game changer for marketers who hate tech setups. Pros and cons. Pros: all-in-one AI suite. Content, images, videos, funnels. No monthly fees. One-time payment on Warrior Plus. Beginner-friendly. No tech skills needed. Great for shares, solopreneurs, and small businesses. Cons: advanced users may need more customization. AI content still needs slight editing for perfection. Limited free trial, if any. Pricing and bonus. NextAI is available on Warrior Plus with a one-time payment, no recurring fees. The price varies based on promotions, so check the link below for the latest deal. But here's the best part. If you get NextAI through my link, I'll throw in an exclusive bonus pack worth $497, including AI prompts, marketing templates, and a one-on-one setup guide. Final verdict: so, is NextAI worth it? If you need an affordable, all-in-one AI tool for content, marketing, and automation, absolutely. It's perfect for beginners and those who want everything in one place. But if you're a pro looking for ultra-advanced features, you might need additional tools. Either way, for the price, NextAI delivers serious value. Ready to try it? Click the link below, grab NextAI, and don't forget to claim your free bonus. Also, drop a comment if you want a tutorial video on how to maximize NextAI.